So for today's vlog, we're gonna build again the Christmas village at Chumeng's Christmas village. Yep. So parang last month lang yung nag-build tayo. And this is the second time to build again. So a lot. Christmas village. Yep. So, setting up. Yeah. So ayan yung mga box ng mga village. So mag-unboxing tayo. Medyo struggling lang mag-unboxing kasi ayan may cover pa siya. So tatanggalin natin 'yan. I think is more than 20s. Sobrang dami. Tara, umpisa na natin mag-unboxing. Hindi ko na binidyo yung mga na-unbox ko. Kasi sobrang dami, kaya kailangan ko magmadali para mabilis. Ayan. Ito nga pala yung mga mini figures na ilalagay natin sa Christmas village. So makikita nyo, iba-iba sila. May Santa Claus, may car, may reindeer, may deer, may Christmas trees. So ayan, lalagay natin sila mamaya. Ito yung iba na setup na ni Chew. Siya nang bahala mag-setup kasi hindi ko naman alam kung paano i-setup yung mga yan. So may kanya-kanya silang direction kung saan ilalagay. So I let him to decide. So bala na siya. Tsaka pala yung mga wirings na mga village. Ayan, para mamaya okay sila.
Huh?
Abusive husband.
You what?
Abusive husband. That's the old Sloan Tavern. We're gonna put in the bench. You forgot?
Huh?
You forgot?
What do you mean I forgot? There's nothing to... What do you mean I forgot? There's nothing to remember. It's different every year.
Talk you like that.
Don't be like that.
Stop complaining.
Stop complaining. Stop complaining.
Hey everyone, my husband don't like this one because they are hanging on the tree.
You know. Hanging people from the...
Why?
Huh?
Give me explanation.
Huh?
Give me explanation why.
You want hanging people in a tree? Huh?
Nope.
See, you don't want either. So what
You just
explanation?
being arte. May 30 minutes na ata tayong gumagawa dito. So, ayan. Almost done, I think. But, na-set up na yung halos yung mga village. So, yung mga decor na lang nila yung ilalagay natin dito. Guys, nga pala, what I remember last video natin ng pag-build ng Christmas Village last year, nasabi niya nga pala na 25 years na siyang gumagawa nito. No skipping years. So, nag-start siyang mag-build like 6 or 7 village and then hanggang sa nadagdagan sila. Yeah, go ahead. Pero walang skipping years na nagbi-build sila.
Wow.
Actually, siya halos yung gumagawa. Kaya parang project na talaga every year na i-set up ito. So, nakaka-amaze lang talaga. 25 years. So, it's like 26 years na ngayon. Meaning, so 26 years na ngayon, less 32 years old na siya. So, 7 years old, ganun na taon nagbulang siya na nag-start silang mag-build ng village. Tsaka, no skipping years, ha? And finally, ayan, tapos na tayo. Kumbaga, finalize na lang ito. Nilagay na yung mga snowflakes, tapos yung mga snow na ball, cotton ball.
Bright, see how bright it is? Yeah, because I remember last I set up, it was super bright.
Yeah.
Some trees into the
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is very bright.
Yeah, it's very bright now.
That's
So,
the only one that's by itself, right? Where's the little one? You have a little one that's by itself too.
that little house there?
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that is by itself too, right?
Yeah.
So you have to float.
Yep.
Hulaan nyo kung ano yung tinulong ko dito. Ayun o, yung mga Christmas trees na iba-iba yung kulay. Tsaka pala yung mag-shovel ng mga snow.
Oh, that's so pretty from here. Oh.
Okay, we're done. We're done building this village, the Chumings village. The Christmas village.
I guess I have to call it our village.
It's not Chumings village anymore.
No.
Nope.
Yeah.
Our village.
Christmas village. Yep.
Yeah. That's the Christmas light. Christmas tree. that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.